Break ID number 5221. 2018 National Treasures Baseball. $1 break. Whoops. Don't forget this part. Go. Dan, LA with a free spot. Illusions footballs down to 2. A 3-tier booklet in there. Hold on 1 second. First one, triple relic. Rookie to 99, Aussie Albies. Not bad. Braves, Dan, LA. Disgusting patches, 10 of 10. Triple patch. Victor Robles. Washington, Dan, LA. Dual bat relic to 99, Frank Thomas. White Sox, Dan, LA. There is another one of these up there. Old school dual relic to 49, Roger Maris. Yankees, Dan, LA. Illusions is gone. We'll add another one right now, and Chronicles is down to 1. Next one, Redemption. Material Ink Gold, Brandon Belt. That is to the Giants. Jason RC. And Jason and anyone else, we can redeem these for you. Just select that on the pull down when you see this card. Select redeem. We'll redeem it and put it right back in your account when it returns. Rookie signature on card to 99, Lucas Sims. Atlanta. Dan, LA. Jumbo Jersey Auto, Harrison Bader. 44 of 99. Collegiate card. That still goes to his pro team, Cardinals. Jason R.C. Rookie signatures, Clint Frazier. To 99, Yankees. Dan, L.A. And last card, Legendary Trios. Reggie Jackson, Thurman Munson, Bobby Mercer. $25 of 25. Yankees. Dan, L.A. All right. There is another one up there.